Arkansas produces more rice than every other state in the Union combined. We have a lot of rice here in Arkansas, and we tend to make up a lot of it for our different meals. But what do you do if you make up a lot of rice and you don't eat it all at dinner? That's when you get one of the best treats in the world for breakfast, sugared rice. Sugared rice can be treated the same way as your oatmeal, your cream of wheat, or any breakfast cereal that you choose to consume. First off, take some leftover rice, and then what do you want to put in it? Well, it's called sugared rice, so we're going to put some sugar in it. We're also going to put some cream. I've got some half and half here that I'm going to use, although using milk is perfectly fine. And then some butter, because butter. So, what are the very difficult directions to how to make this? Dump it all in. We're going to take our rice, we're going to break it up a little bit. We are going to put in our lump of butter right on top. We're going to take this and head to the microwave. Heat it for 1 minute. Look at the steam coming off that rice with all that butter in there. Ooh, that'd be really good to eat on its own, but this is the coup de grace. Take your heated rice and butter, sprinkle as much sugar as you like over the top. Usually a teaspoon will do. Sometimes more if you really want it. You can add a little salt here if you want. I do. Some people might want to actually add fruit or cinnamon or whatever. And then pour in that cream or milk. Oh, just like that. And there you have it, sugared rice. This tastes like memories.